Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crypto Rocket. And pocket option trading can be a lot of risky, and but if you have a very good strategy to trade on pocket options and expert options, even Deriv, you will make a very good amount of money. And I want to use this medium to also say that trading on forex, crypto, and any other financial market. You might be trading it with the perspective of trading options, I mean binary options, and you will not even realize that you are trading a binary option. So that's why I will advise you, if you have been losing a lot of money on forex, losing a lot of money on crypto market, I will advise you to maybe you will look into binary option trading, because maybe you have this mindset of trading binary option, but you thought maybe that's trading forex, or forex market is what you need, but actually your mind is configured to be trading on binary option. And a lot of people, people like me, I don't usually, whatever I would do, I don't do it in a way that it will be like a gambling for me, but I will devise a means that I will use it and trade it as a business person, or let me use it investment strategy, so that and I create this platform. I have a website, and I have a Excel sheet management form that you will use to trade all this pocket option and expert option and all the binary options. You use it and trade it, and everything is calculated there. And in this video, I'll be taking you step by steps on how to trade on this, on how to use this Excel sheet to manage your pocket option trading. And all you need to do is to put in your details, and start trading with it. So with this, now you will see yourself from being from being a gambler to a strategic investor, so that you will see yourself trading pocket option as an investment rather than as a gambler. So without much ado, let's dive into the Excel sheet. Then in this Excel sheet, I will take you step by steps. I also have a website. I will still explain to you on how to on my website. I will still step by step and teach you how to use every of the indicators, or I'll use every of the tabs on my website, and I'll tell you how to use it. So on this platform right now, I will start with the Excel sheet. So inside the Excel sheet, what you're supposed to do first is to open your Excel sheet. Please, we have a lot of people do have normal Excel and also have this platform called WPS. In this software, Excel sheet software that I create, please, you can use this WPS office with it. It will not work. Or what you need is you need a real binary, a real Excel sheet. So that's what you need. Excel software that, installing Office. You need to install Office that have Microsoft Word, Excel, a database, and the rest. So once you install it, it will have this Excel. That Excel inside that place, that's what you need. And also do well to activate your Excel before using this particular software. So if you go to Excel sheet, all you need to do is to first of all go to file. When you go to file, you go to options. You go to options. You go to options right here. You click on options. and you will see a pop-up bar right here. So you go to the trust center. You go to trust center. Trust center right here, and you you will still click on trust center setting. You go to micro setting. You go to micro setting. Okay, you go to micro settings right here. You are seeing it. You are seeing it. Let me highlight it with my ruler. You go to micro settings. Look at it right here. You go to micro settings right here. Go to micro settings and click on micro settings. And as you can see, my micro settings is enable all macros. So you click on enable all macros and click OK. You click OK. Okay, that's for step one, and we'll go to step two now. So this step two of this video will be to enable the developers tab option. So all you need to do is to go to the file option. You click on the file option, and you go to options. You still go to options. You go to main. You click customize ribbon. Then under main tab, you will see main tab right here. Under main tab, you click developer, you tick it and click OK. So that's for the developer side, and the next one is the next one, which will enable a macro trusted folder, and this folder will be when you download your the software, and you will put the software inside this particular trusted folder. Okay, so what you need to do now is to still go to the file, and you go to options, the same options. Then you go to trust center, which is here. Then go to trust center settings, and if you go to trust center settings, go to trust center, then click on trusted location right here. Look at it, trusted location. And then all you need to do is to select your path. You add a location here. You just add a location through this place. You add a location, and browse, and get the location where the file you want to open, which is the software that you will be downloading. And you just go through this. You put the file directory to this place. You select the folder. You just browse. You browse and go to the folder and select the folder and click OK. Click OK. Right. Then once you are done, you still click OK. You click OK. I did not select anything, but once you select it, you click OK. And once you click OK, you click modify. You click modify, and still click OK. Then after everything, you click OK here, and OK. That's it for trusted folder. So but sometimes all you need to do is this macro settings. Once you are done with the macro settings, and the rest of things sometimes will activate itself, but it's better for you to go through all these things and do it manually, so that you will not be having an issue when running your software. All right. So the next step will be for we'll now enter the main software, that the main banner option, trading software, which is a binary magic table. And this is the binary magic table.